Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Khodiso Einstein, um, and I'm excited to share with you how to use Excel to solve common accounting problems. So in this video, we'll explore four concepts: total sales, cost price, cost of sales, and profit. This is what I'm talking about here. So we are given questions here. So you're gonna try to solve these problems by using Excel. So the first question is use a formula to calculate the cost price for each product. The cost price is calculated by finding the percentage value indicated in C5 next to the cell of the selling price, which is 90%. So use a formula to calculate the cost price for each product. The cost price is calculated by finding the percentage, right? Yeah. So now you're gonna go to our sheet, which is this one here. So remember the cost price which is the 90% of the selling price. So now you're gonna say equal sign selling price times 90%, which is cost price, which is the selling 90% of the selling price, and you're gonna press enter. So if you want to autofill it the cost price, or in all of these cells, you're gonna go to the bottom right corner and double click it if you're using a laptop. Now this is the cost price. So let's go to total sales. Total sales, which is the total amount of revenue generated from selling products or services. So the total sales will be the selling price times the quantity. So this is the selling price and this is the quantity. We're given the quantity as well. So we're gonna say equal sign selling price times quantity. Then we're gonna press enter. And if you want to autofill it, you can go to the bottom right corner of this cell and double click it. This is the answer. So now let's go to the cost of sales. Cost of sales which is the direct cost of producing or purchasing the products or services sold. So meaning, which is the quantity times the cost price. So we're gonna say equal sign quantity times cost price, then press enter. This is the cost of sales of this total sales. Then if you want to autofill it, you can come to the bottom right corner here. If you see a plus sign, just double click it. This is the answer. So now we're coming to profit. So what is the definition of profit? Profit is the revenue left over after deducting the cost of sales from total revenue. Meaning profit is total sales minus cost of sales. Press equal sign total sales minus cost of sales, then press enter. This is the profit that you made. Now if you want to autofill it, go to the bottom right corner of this cell, double click it. Now you are done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.